Remove the freezer door. Slide the freezer door to the end of its track, then lift it up and out to detach it from the refrigerator. Place the freezer door face down on a stable surface, with the drawer guides facing upward. Remove the old gasket. Gently pull the freezer door gasket out of the door groove and remove it completely. Install the new gasket. Begin by inserting one corner of the new gasket into the groove. Continue working your way around the door, pressing the gasket securely into the groove to ensure a snug fit along the entire edge. Reinstall the freezer door. Insert the freezer door at an angle into its tracks, then slide it back into position.